So here's the channel dedicated to sunny beach in Bulgaria, and obviously we go down the front, have a quick look at the beach, and then we see what else is opening. It's May, and we get a fantastic look around the Grand Hotel, which was refitted and opened again last year. It's fantastic. We show you everything that's here.
Oh, that's it. Good morning's work in the garden. I've done all my onions. I think it's time to pop down now to Sunny Beach to see what else is opened up. What do you think? Well, that's the best idea you've had all morning. I agree. Let's go down to Sunny Beach and see what's happening. It's a glorious afternoon. We don't want to waste it.
And Dobber Den.
Dobber Den, everybody. We've made it now to Sunny Beach.
Yeah, we've just had 3 nights away in Sofia, and it's Friday the 9th of May. But coming in on the bus from Burgos last night, as we always say, 90% of the resort was closed, especially the outskirts. There's nothing open yet, but another week it'll all change.
Oh yeah, the atmosphere is building up, everybody.
Yeah, and we're right in front of the Grand Hotel that had a massive refit last year.
Yeah, it looks
Absolutely stunning hotel now.
really nice now, really pretty.
Yeah, and you've got people sitting around the swimming pool enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah, because that wind's dropped, so it is pleasant today.
No. And I'd like to say a big thank you to Nicky, the football shirt guy in Sunny Beach. While we're in Sofia, that's where he lives, he took us out for an afternoon at the History Museum, up to Boya Church, a famous old church, the oldest in Bulgaria, and then to a Bulgarian banquet at one of the best traditional restaurants in Sofia. So thank you again, Nicky.
Yes, thank you, Nicky. It was a great, great afternoon.
Really made our trip. And another highlight of our trip was we went to the biggest photographic shop in Bulgaria, the biggest camera shop in Bulgaria. It's got a bar and a cafe and a gallery. It was fantastic. Even Susan enjoyed it.
Yeah, I found it very interesting, actually. It was amazing.
And I splashed the plastic, of course, and we're filming this on a new lens today, which should improve the picture a little bit. And we're still waiting for the beach furniture. The next 2 weeks, all the loungers and the brollies are going to be put out here, thousands of them. Be tractors up and down, teams of guys staking them all out in rows. At the moment, you can pick anywhere you want on the beach, pick your spot, and it's yours. But that won't last. In another month, it's going to be absolutely full on this beach.
Oh, and it's great now to see a few more stalls opening up. It's a little bit more for your shopping experience.
And behind me is the Astoria Hotel, and when we drove in, we just walked behind the hotel, behind the Astoria. There's massive teams working in the kitchen. They've dragged everything outside. They are scrubbing that kitchen really thoroughly to get it open. And there's guys outside working on the bar. They've got the loungers are now out, and wow, they'll be putting water in the pool the next couple of days because that's all been cleaned now. So if you're staying at the Astoria, if you saw a film a couple of weeks, walked past it, looked very empty, that will soon be open. And if you're enjoying the video, Natisny Butona, hit the like button. It really helps us get the video shown to more people. Thanks a lot.
Oh, wow, we've just met Jordan, who owns the Red Lion. Had a great chat there, and he tells us he's going to be opening the Red Lion about the 20th of May. So if you fancy a nice drink and you're at the Grand, there's the pub and the Red Lion. The choice is yours. Oh. Take 3. Wow, and there's some great signage here at the pub advertising English breakfast, 15 lev 90. Oh, that looks yummy. And then you can get 2 Beck's beers for 6 lev. Wow, that's a bargain. So this is the pub outside the Grand if you fancy a beer or a big breakfast. Oh. Right.
So we go inside the pub to do a little bit of filming, and there's people in there having a great time. And there happens to be some subscribers in, so we actually sit with them, have a drink, have a chat for quite a long time.
Dobby dog to all of you out there, UK.
And to all the people back in the Black Country that aren't here.
Oh yeah, cheers. Nostrami.
Surely.
Enjoy.
Ah.
So behind me is the main entrance to the Grand Hotel. This was completely stripped. It had a massive renovation. It opened May last year, actually. Funny enough, we didn't think it would open by May, but work was finished. It's absolutely stupendous inside, and the reception public areas are absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to show you them in a minute. They've invited us in to have a look. How about that? So, come inside the Grand.
Yeah, this will look nice.
And this is where the reception is, up on the left here. Doesn't this look
Oh, it looks lovely.
fantastic?
Really nice.
Really nice. It was a huge refit last year. Wow.
Oh, another great thing here at the Grand is if you've got your mobility scooter from Lynn and Wayne, you can park them here and they'll charge them up for you. Oh, that's amazing, isn't it? Oh, really nice. Very accommodating here at the Grand.
Look at this. Wine on tap. That's amazing. It's an all-inclusive hotel, so you can have a tipple any time you like. Well, not bad. You can book direct with the hotel or go through jet2.com, one of the largest travel companies. They use this hotel a lot. Well, actually having my drone up this afternoon, it's great because you get a different view. And here is the hotel directly across from the beach. I've just flown over the sea, this golden beach in front of it, all this lovely sand. Look at that, it's amazing, isn't it? And we actually live in the village there on the top of the mountain, about 5 miles from the centre of Sunny Beach from this hotel. Not far at all. And this could be your balcony this summer. And this could be your view. That'd be amazing. Just imagine that now, sitting there. Ah. And this is the pool. Obviously I'm flying over here. There are people laying around it this afternoon and one or two are braving the water there. As you can see, the gates from the hotel lead onto the promenade, which is about 20 feet there to the beach. It's nothing. The sand is just across the pavement. It's really great to land every time when I haven't had any problems with seagulls. They love my drone. So we're going upstairs now to show you what the actual bedrooms look like in the hotel. It's fantastic inside. I mean, I've done so much work on this. I did a full reconstruction on it. I was only last year. It's absolutely amazing. Looks beautiful.
Oh wow, look at this. Just the entrance to these rooms, the corridors, is absolutely beautiful. This is stunning. Oh, let's have a look, see what the rooms are like. If it's anything to go by the corridor, they're going to be lovely. Wow, Andrew, come and look at this stunning room. Oh, it's beautiful. This is amazing. Look, little details like that. Oh, this room is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. Wow, lots of space for your clothes. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, look at the lights. Are these nice? Oh, they're so modern. Oh, it's so modern and trendy, isn't it? Oh, it's amazing. Oh, I want to stay here. Oh, they've got a lovely TV, a nice size for the room, and a kettle, which is always a bonus when you're on a holiday, and a little mini fridge. Oh, the little details are lovely. Oh, there's plenty of room, isn't there?
And of course you get a really nice bathroom to go with the bedroom. This is really, really nice. Very stylish. Very modern as well.
Let's have a look at that balcony. That's what you're going to be paying for. Now this is going to be the bits that you want to come on your holiday for. Let's have a look out here on this balcony. Oh, and this balcony is lovely, a great size, really nice, and you've got a beautiful view. You've got Nessie Bar there, and you've got St. Vlas. And you could just sit here and just look at the sea. Oh, it's amazing. Just imagine this, everybody. This could be you on your holiday, sitting, relaxing on this balcony, looking at that beautiful Black Sea. Oh, what more could you want?
More places.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, again, same quality, but just a slightly different angle. Oh, it's lovely, isn't it?
Well, this is a corner room, so you've got
Yeah.
more windows. It's gorgeous. You can look out in all directions.
Oh, it's amazing. These drapes are lovely as well. Attention to detail.
And the other thing is you're getting quality fittings as well. Really, really nice fittings. But look at the beach there and the sea. It's just beckoning, isn't it? Oh, just outside.
Even the little vanity mirror and the dressing table here is lovely. Again, with these lovely little modern lights. Oh, touches are lovely. Oh, stunning. I want to stay here now. And wow, look at this pool area bistro. Oh, it's amazing. I know I keep saying it, but you can have an ice cream look. Coffee machine, juice machine, coffee machine, juice machine, coffee machine, coffee machine. Oh, that's amazing. There's plenty. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, what's here? Oh, and opposite the coffee machines there, you've got this area, which has got all your sauces. Mustard, chilli, ketchup. Oh, anything you wish. It's great. Let's have a look what's over here. Wow, and another lovely area near the pool is for your pizzas and snacks. Oh, it's decorated lovely. Wow.
Hello.
Oh, dobry den. Dobry den, or dobry večer. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, it's pretty, isn't it? Very nice.
So I'm having a look at the pool now. It's almost 6 o'clock. It's almost dinner time. Everybody's gone in to
very
get
nice.
ready
Oh,
to come out and have a
lovely. Are you
meal.
all inclusive? You're all inclusive.
Wait,
Oh,
pool
yeah,
did
yeah,
look
yeah,
better
yeah,
earlier with
yeah.
people
And
in
your
it.
food is-
And it's really nice because they've just asked us
Oh,
to
we can
stay
have a
for
look.
dinner so we can show you what the food's going to be like if
Where's
you're
it gone?
staying here. Oh, couldn't be better, could it? And here's the really nice, big, airy dining room. Tastefully furnished, really nice lighting in it. Susan was so impressed with the lighting. That's a woman.
Oh, the hot. One more. How long, Rosalind, how long you own this hotel? How many years? 12 years. Oh. Lovely, it's really nice. And the palace, you own the palace as well? Oh, it's stunning. Look at the lights. Oh, wow. Oh, this is amazing. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Oh, it's... And now they're just preparing for the evening meal. The desserts are ready. Oh, my. These look absolutely delicious. I don't think I want the main. I'll just have the cakes. Oh, everything looks stunning. It really does. Oh. Wow, you wouldn't go hungry here, would you? this is amazing. This is the pink room. It's where you can come and you can have your photo taken. The guests of the hotel are absolutely loving it. Oh, it's amazing, isn't it? Oh, it's stunning. Oh, look at the lights. Oh, it's lovely. Even all that above the window, above the door. Oh. If you've got your little girls, they'd love a photo in here, wouldn't they? That was really nice.
There's entertainment every night, so we can stay and see what it's like. As always happens in Bulgaria, we get traditional music and some traditional dancing that's so easy virtually everybody can join in. We've quite a few guests here having some fun. You don't have to be good at it, you can even have two left feet and still enjoy it. And now finally from the Grand Hotel, it's time to go home.
We've been here all afternoon. It's been amazing.
Yeah, I've had a really good time and see what the place is like. I've had a look at the food. Really highly recommend it. And you're going to have a great time if you've booked it already to come this summer.
And the hospitality is great. And we must say a big thank you to Rosalind and Petra for really looking after us this afternoon.
Yeah, so it's ciao ciao for now.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you again later.
Bye.
We had a great time making this film. We're going to make quite a few more through the summer, so if you don't want to miss any of them, please make sure you are subscribed to Sunny Beach Life and you've hit that notification bell. Thanks a lot.